Okay, this video about changing the subject of a formula. Like for example, this one, f equals to m multiplied by a. That's the meaning of this formula, right? So now the current subject is f, and now we try to change the subject to m, right? So basically, we need to cancel. We have a, so we are going to let this a leave m alone. How we are gonna do that? So basically, we divide both of them by the same variable. This is like equality before the law. Remember, the purpose of this is like m multiplied by a. So we do the opposite operation. So we divide both of the sides by a, so we can cancel out this a. Like if it is multiplication, we do the opposite operation, division. If it is division, we do the opposite operation, multiplication, right? So now we have m alone, so we have f over a equals to m. Now switch the position, we have m equals to f over a. So now m is the subject. Okay, another example is like this. For example, yeah, let's say we have p equals to 2l, 2l plus w. Now the expectation L must be the subject. So how to let this L alone? The very opposite operation is 2. So basically we need to cancel out both of them by 2 first, by 2, by 2. Okay, if you look at this step by step, it will be like this. So P over 2, keep it, just copy paste over here, and then we cancel this 2. So it looks like we have L plus W now. How to let L alone? So basically we subtract, since this one is addition, so we subtract both of them by the same thing, right? So we have P over 2 equals to L plus W. We want to show that this one is minus W. So this is like the operation to make it possible uh, this W disappear, right? So and then P over 2 minus W equals to L. So we have L now. And now you only need to switch the position. L equals to P over 2, right? P over 2 minus W. So this is our final answer. And now L is the subject. Okay, I think this is clear. Yeah? And then what about this? A equals to half multiplied by BH, or sometimes we can write A equals to half BH. Can be expressed into something like this. So now how to let h alone? If you notice this one, there is coefficient half, right? 1 over 2. So basically this means divide by 2, BH divided by 2. We can write BH over 2 like this, right? It's the same thing. And then how to make it possible h alone? So let's try it, yeah. Since this one is divided by 2, so we multiply both of them by 2. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that, yeah. So A equals to BH over 2. Now, I will show you with the red color here. We multiply both of them by 2. That's the possible way to cancel out these two. So we have 2A right now, yeah. On the left side, we have 2A. We write the number first, right? And then BH. We still have B next to H, so how to let B disappear? So same concept, guys. Let me write it one more time. Yeah, 2A equals 2BH. We need to cancel both of this by B. So when you cancel on the right uh, side, we we have this one. We have H equals to H equals to 2A over B. I think this is done, right? So H now is the subject. And then what about this? V equals to D over T. So T is the subject. If you look at this, how we are going to solve this, Mr. Actually, you can switch the position between these two things. Yeah. On the left side, basically this is like over 1. I think you agree with this, right? And then when you try to switch the position, both of them, you flip the position 1 over v equals to t over d. I think no problem with it, right? So we flip both of them, the position. Okay. So we have 1 over, this is 1, yeah? 1 over v, this is 1. 1 over v equals to t over t. Now, how to let t alone? Because t must be the subject. So we multiply both sides by this denominator. So t over d, both of them must be multiplied by times by d. So we times this also by d. That's the reason we can cancel out this t. So d will be disappear. And then t equals to d over v. This is like the step how to let t as the subject. So we have t equals to d over v. Why we need to provide all of these steps, Sarah? So your concept will be stronger. Yeah, I think that's the reason. Can I avoid these steps, Mr. No? For this stage, please follow the step. Uh, for the next level, we can think about it. Yeah. So now, what about this? C equals to 2 pi r. We have C equals to 2 pi r. So now how to let r as the subject? So copy paste first, right? We just rewrite it. And then how to let r alone? Basically, simple, right? Divide this by 2 pi. Since we have 2 pi over here, this is a multiplication, right? 2 times pi times r. So do the same thing with this 2 pi. So actually done, right? And then we show that this process is cancelled from this fraction. So we have r equals to c over 2 pi. And then if you want to switch the position, because like student usually convenient if they put the subject on the left side, c over 2 pi. So this is like our final answer, r as the subject now. Okay, this is example 4. What about this one? V equals to I multiplied by R. This is like electricity, yeah, voltage equals to uh this is like electricity multiplied by the resistor. So how to change the subject to R? I think you know what to do, right? If you look at this R on the right side, we can cancel out by divide by I, equality before all. Okay, divide by the same thing. So we have v over I equals to R. Done actually, yeah. So switch the position, R equals to v over I. Just switch the position. So R as the subject now. Clear, yeah? Next thing, what about this? V equals to U equals to V minus U equals to A T. Let's try to let T as the subject. If T is the subject, so basically we need to divide all of them by A. By A. So this is like T as the subject, right? So now we have T, this one cancelled already. T equals to V minus U over A. Done. So switch the position. T equals to V minus U over A. So now T is the subject. But what if I want U as the subject? U. So how to let U as the subject? I want to write it again, yeah. V minus U equals to AT. Okay, and then U as the subject. How we are going to do that? If you look at this, U is negative, right? How to let this is negative, and this negative O by this U, right? So how to make it positive, mm, basically we need to add both of them by u first, but sir, it will cancel u. It's okay, just to make sure that the u will be appear on the right side. Okay, so I want to say that this is like uh, not common for you, but I want you to follow the step. This one must be plus u, so plus u also. So now we have positive u. That's the reason. So this one, it seems like we can cancel out this one. Phi seems like, okay, you move to the right side, right? So we have at plus u. So we have positive u now. So how to let u alone? So we minus both sides by at, since this one is addition, right? So both of them must be subtracted by at. So go ahead. Phi equals to at plus u. So we cancel both of them by at minus at also. So this one will be cancelled out. We'll let this u alone. Is that clear? Phi at equals to u. So this is our final answer. So u is the subject. So this is like the example that you can flexible. Yeah, this is the first one. T is the subject, but now we have u as the subject over here. Okay. What about this? How to make x as the subject? If you notice this one, we have y equals to 2x plus 3, right, over 5. A lot of things close next to x. So how we are going to decide which one first? This is like all of this expression divided by 5, right? So the first step is the opposite operation of this thing. This one is divided by 5, so we multiply by 5, both of them. Multiply by 5. Does that make sense? So this one will be disappear. So we have uh, 5y on the right side equals to 2x plus 3. 5 over 5 is good already. Yeah, disappear 1. And then how to let this 2x plus 3, if you read this one, 2y's of x plus 3, so subtracted by 3 first, yeah? So minus 3, minus 3. So we have this one. 5y minus 3 equals to 2x. This one will be disappeared, right? Both of this. And then we have 2x. We need to let x alone. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. Yeah. So 5y minus 3 over 2 equals to x now, because we cancel this 2, right? So this is our final answer actually. But then you need to express x equals to 5y minus 3 over 2. So this is our final answer, and x is the subject. Clear, yeah? Where you always put x on the on the left side, so because usually student convenient to have it, yeah. Now the next level is this one. V equals to 1/3 pi r squared h. How to make h as the subject? V equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So how to let this h alone? Actually, this one is not that hard, but let me highlight. This is the one that we need to let alone. Yeah. The first one, if you notice this one, there is what we call this one. There is 3 below. Yeah, this is 3. So I think the best way how to solve this the first time is both of them must be, both sides must be multiplied by 3 first, right? Let's try to do that. So phi phi equals to 1/3. I will copy again, yeah. Pi r square h. Okay, let me circle this one. Both of them must be multiplied by 3. So times by 3 times by 3. So by this operation, we cancel the 3. So we have 3v on the left side equals to pi r square h. I will circle this one. This is like the final destination. Yeah, we need to let h alone. So we have pi r square. So both of them can be divided by pi r square, right? Can divide by pi r square divide by pi r square. This is the reason. This pi r square will be disappear from the right side. Disappear. So what about the left side? Keep it, just keep it. Yeah, we have 3v over pi r square equals to h. So h equals to 3v over pi r square. So this is our final answer. This is h as the subject. I think this one is clear, yeah? Yeah, it's okay. You can pause the video and look at again. Now, what about C as the subject for from this equation? Yeah. Let's see. So we have f equals to 90 over 5 plus 32. So this is the one that we need to let alone. C. The very operation is plus 32. So the easiest way how to cancel this one is both of them must be both will be minus 32 both sides. Okay, so let's try to do that. F equals to 9c over 5 plus 32. I just copy paste it, and then both of them minus 32 minus 32. So this one will be disappear, right? That's the reason. So we have f minus 32 equals to 9c over 5, almost, right? So actually we can do the same operation for both sides. Like this is actually 9 over 5, right? So we multiply by the fraction that we flip the position of 9 and 5. So both of them, both sides, times by 5 over 9. If you notice the 5 over 9 is like the flip, yeah. Denominator become numerator become denominator. Yeah, you wish to position. That's the possible way how to let this 9 over 5 disappear from C, because the purpose is to let C alone. So F minus 32 equals to 9 over 5 C. I just copy paste again. Remember, if you multiply by 5 over 9, both sides, side means all of them, like this, we put in the bracket. Do I need, no, actually, no. I just want to put it on purpose. We multiply this 5 over 9. So all of them, all of this left side will be multiplied by 5 over 9 also. Yeah. So by this process, actually, we can cancel 9 and 9. 5 and 5. Doesn't it make sense? Okay. So we have C on the right side. That's it. So we are going to fix on the left side. Just keep it, no problem. So we have 5. If you don't put in the bracket, it doesn't matter. F minus 32 like this over 9. So we're done with this. Yeah. So now switch the position. C equals to 5 multiply f minus 32 over 9. So this is our final answer. So we have C as the subject now. Yeah. C as the subject. What about this? This is maybe like the further uh, practice how to make A is the subject as equals to uh, U multiplied by T plus 1 over 2A T square I just copy paste. Yeah. If you look at this, there is ut on the right side. This is like addition. So we can minus both sides by ut as well. The purpose is to let this disappear. So we minus ut, but don't forget to do the same thing with the left side, ut. Yeah. So this one disappear. One step done. The next thing. Hmm. So after we do this, we have s minus ut, right, equals to uh, this one, yeah. So how to let a alone? Again, let me highlight. This is the one that we need to let alone. This this a, right, and this a. So everything but a must be disappear from the right side. But how we are going to do that process with the legal process, right? We cannot just let them disappear, but finally we change the value. We cannot do that. Probably my suggestion, you can do step by step. You multiply both of them by two, so we cancel out these two, right? So what is the new thing for us today? For this step is this one. So we have 2 in the bracket s minus ut, right, equals to at square. But then a is not alone yet, sir. So uh, how we are going to continue this operation? Just divide both of them by that variable. If you look at that variable next to a, divide this by t square. Divide this by t square. Really, we're done, right? So we have 2 in the bracket s minus ut over t square equals to a. So this is our uh, final answer. A is the subject, and then if you want to let a on the left side, that is okay. A 2 s minus ut over t square. So this is our final answer, yeah? A is the subject right now. Do we need to fix this? It's okay, just keep it like that. Okay, no problem. And probably this like the next level, how to make X as the subject. I want to show you this one. Okay, just take your time to learn about this. This is like the furthest probably, yeah, for you. Let me write y equals to 3x minus 4 over 2x plus 5. First of all, I wanna multiply both of sides by the denominator of the right side. We can do that, right? So we multiply both of them. This one we times by 2x plus 5, but then do the same thing with the left side, 2x plus 5, and then if we want to continue, we have this one already. Yeah? So y in the bracket 2x plus 5 equals to 3x minus 4. There is x on the left side, there is x on the right side, but so the purpose actually we need to put x and x together at the same side. So it's okay, we can multiply this one first, yeah. So 2xy like this plus 5y, yeah. And then this one is 3x minus 4. Just keep it for a while. And then